How to write a text in an image. Import your image into Photoshop and ensure you have a black background. Once done, apply the black and white filter on the image and adjust as you see fit. Click OK when done and apply the Gaussian blur effect of 10 on the image. Then use the Save As option to save file as PSD with the name displacement. Return to your image and turn off the Gaussian blur effect, then type in your text. Convert text to a smart object and repeat till you fill up the space. Convert all the layers to a single smart object and add drop shadow to it. Duplicate the text and rotate to a different angle of your choice. Select both layers and convert to Smart Object. Then go to Filter, select Distort, then Displace. Select the displacement PSD file you saved earlier. Bring the image above the text and clip it inside. Change the blending mode to Multiply or Linear Burn. Then make a selection of the image and create a mask on the text layer.